see no secrets between us, no, it's just honesty. Even if it hurts, even if it's just for today. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. So don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know ya. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. Would it be like to be? Would it be like to be yours? Would it be like to be yours? One step is two steps too much. Rather be much better if we stayed in touch, you and me, but it was too late. I can't make you stay, but wait. Even the best of us get hurt sometimes. Could be from life or love, or I don't know what. It's all out of our hands. Nobody will ever understand. Don't blame yourself and don't ask why. That's the art of getting by. That's the art of getting by. No, life ain't a game. There's nothing to win and no way to cheat. We all walk through flames, all get burned from the heat. be from life or love or I don't know why. It's all out of our hands. Nobody will ever understand. Don't blame yourself and don't ask why. That's the art of getting by. That's the art